and welcome back to Stacey Chantel Skincare Channel, or welcome here if you're new. 2 videos ago I talked about how to get hot girl summer skin, and in that video I shared my main tip, which was dry brushing. I thought I would do a video dedicated just to dry brushing, what it is, how to do it, and just tips and tricks with dry brushing. Dry brushing isn't all that new, but it's just trending lately. And I totally understand why it's trending. I'm so glad that I hopped on board and started doing dry brushing because it's really been a game changer for me and I highly recommend it. So this is what a dry brush looks like. It's just a wooden panel with some soft bristles, and sometimes it will have a little end with some wooden prongs. That's just to like massage the body further. But this is the side that we use to dry brush with. They're fairly inexpensive. I believe they're about in the $20 range. So a very affordable price for this, and really you just need to buy one and it will last you years, probably, if you take good care of it. So what are the main benefits to dry brushing? Let me just pull it up right here. So the main benefits of dry brushing is that it is stimulating to the lymphatic system. So it's going to help to drain out your lymph nodes and therefore help the body rid itself of toxins. It's going to help with exfoliation. It's going to help with increasing circulation and energy, and supposedly help break down cellulite. What I have noticed personally is that my skin is so much softer. It's crazy how much it softens the skin and just really like smooths out my skin, that it really helps to reduce the texture of my skin and just gives me that like silky smooth skin feeling. It has helped my lotions and oils to absorb much better into my skin. It's been giving me more of a like radiant glow. I would attribute that to the increased circulation in my body. Oh yes, another unusual benefit that I've been noticing is that it's helped with my leg hairs. It's made my leg hairs softer. And because they're softer, they weren't growing as fast and they weren't as noticeable. So that's a super cool benefit. I don't know if everybody experiences that, but that's just what I've been noticing and I'm all here for it. So usually what I will do is I will dry brush naked in my bathroom, and then after I've dry brushed my whole body, except for my neck up. I have other products for that. But after I've dry brushed my whole body, then I'll hop into the shower and then rinse everything off. Technically, it's not necessary to shower after you dry brush, but I think it's much better to shower after you dry brush, just to wash your body, get rid of all these dead skin cells that you've just flaked off, and there is nothing sitting on the skin to prevent your lotion from absorbing. So that's just what I like to do. For the sake of the video here, I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, and I'm gonna show you how I dry brush. All right, let's get into it. So something super fun would be just quickly pause this video, go grab your dry brush, come back here and keep playing, and let's do this together. All right, are you ready? Let's do this. So always start at the feet first. And a rule of thumb, always work towards the heart. That is the direction that you want to go in. So wherever you are working on your body, always move in the direction of your heart. So from the feet, up your leg, up towards the heart. Your arms, same thing. Up your arms and then down towards the heart. Back, up. If you're gonna do your neck, down towards the heart. Really, whatever part of your body you're doing, just move it towards the heart. Start on the top of the foot and just very gently work in circles while pushing upwards. So just like that. And then the other side. Just work it all around. So you get to the ankles, and then do the same thing. Back of the ankles as well. And then just keep working up your whole calf. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure for this. Gentle pressure is sufficient, because you don't want to be scratching your skin too much. now the knee. Usually my knees get pretty dry. Well, it's just very hard skin there too, so I just like to focus there a little more. And pretty much the areas where I notice that I usually get dry, I'll focus there a little bit more. Okay, one leg is complete. Do the same thing to the other leg. I just want to show you the before and after. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but in person, this leg that I've just done is whiter than the other leg because we have just flaked off all the dead skin cells, and especially since it is dry, there's no moisture to it right now, it looks just really dry and flaky and white. Now we're gonna move on to the upper body. I'm just gonna show you over my clothes how that works. It's pretty much the same principle overall. It's really easy to get a hang of. And again, like I said, circular upward motions towards the heart. Just use that everywhere and you're golden. After I've done both legs, then I'll just like continue upwards along my hip and then go in and then back out to the side of my hip and then up the side, over the bum, lower back. I'll kind of do a side-to-side motion on my back and then sweep up just to really get everything loose. And then same thing to the other side. Throw it over my shoulder and then do the same thing. Loosen it all up like that. And then pull upwards. And then I'll come and do the front. From where you are standing, your point of view, work right to left in circles on the stomach. So just do small circles like that. And then on the sides, push up all along the side or across the stomach, and then to the other side. Push up towards the armpit and stop at the armpit. And then same thing to the other side. And then the chest here, go around. And then again, the skin is delicate, so just be very gentle with that. Don't apply too much pressure because that will be quite abrasive and start scratching your skin, which you don't want. So just be very gentle, move in circles, and then the other side, in between the ribs, just the whole area, work in small circles, and then always working towards the heart. Okay, so for the arms, you just start the top of your hands, and then literally the same way that you did the leg, do the arm. So basically just keep working up until you get to the armpit and stop at the armpit. And the armpit, work it in circles. And then do the same thing to the other side. So there you are, that is how you dry brush your body. I'm just gonna step in the shower now, rinse off everything, and then follow with a body lotion and a body oil. It's really important that after you've exfoliated, you replenish moisture back into your skin so that your skin doesn't become ultra dry. And trust me, the results are so wonderful. You're just gonna be so soft and smooth and feeling like $1,000,000. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that's been helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up if it's been helpful, and comment anything that you learned or any questions that you might have, and I'm happy to get back to you. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have an awesome rest of your week. Take care. Bye. Wishing you joy and peace.